Hello, my name is Amy if you're brand new to this channel. So for today's video, I wanted to do a review of a brand new handbag and I think you guys are gonna love it. Here is the handbag. I'm so proud to be collaborating with Teddy Blake on this video, as well as to host a giveaway. So make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video to find out all the details. This is the dust bag that it comes with. It's a drawstring dust bag. This is the handbag that I wanted to reveal and review today to you guys. So this is the Cara Saffiano 9-inch in the dark beige. The top measures 8¼ inches. The bottom is about 9½ inches. The height of this bag from here to here is about 7¼ inches. The depth of the bag is 3¼ inches approximately. Those are my measurements. It also does come with a strap, so mine's already attached and it's a really nice strap with a nice drop. It's semi-adjustable. I mean, there's a few adjustments. I personally left it as is. I think it's actually quite nice like that, but if you wanted to make it a couple inches longer, you can. As it is right now is about 22 inches. So from here till here, that's the drop. This handbag retails for $389 US. There's also a larger version that they call the 12-inch version, which is slightly more at $429. Like I said, it is all Saffiano leather. It's really beautiful. Let's take a look at the front of the bag, the side. This is the back. So the back is exactly identical to the front, but without the logo. These are the Toron handles. The bottom has 5 feet. And I just wanted to bring your attention to all the stitching. It's really beautifully done. If you look at even the glazing, it's really well done. Zip closure. The interior is a very nice microfiber suede lining. It comes with a detachable strap, as I said, and the clips are over here on each side of the bag. On the interior, there is a couple of compartments. There is one slip pocket over here, which is a decent size. And then there's also another zip pocket on the back where the label also is sewn on. So the label also says Teddy Blake, New York. And also the zippered pocket is quite substantial as well. It's like a good size. It comes all the way here. When I got it, they only had a few select colors, but ever since then they've added a bunch of new colors, which are actually, a lot of them are very, very pretty and very, very nice for spring, the upcoming season. They have like a red and orange, they have like a white one, they have a light blue, they have a royal blue, and obviously they have all the neutral colors. So the dark beige, they have a black, they have a light gray, dark gray. What else do they have? They have so many different colors of this bag now that it's just an amazing selection if you're looking to buy another color. And speaking of color, I have another one right here, and this is the one for the giveaway, so like I said, stay tuned. Let's talk about what I really like about this bag. It's a great everyday bag for me. It's the perfect size, perfect design with top handle option as well as crossbody option. You can even fit a bottle of water in there. I mean, it might stick out a little bit, but because it's just the one compartment, it really allows you to fit a lot of different size objects, even if you have to temporarily leave a bottle of water in there. I also really like that it's full leather. It's Saffiano leather. It's structured, as you can see. It doesn't change shape. There's a little bit of give here. It does taper up, especially if you do close your bag, but as a whole, the bag itself, it doesn't look like it will change shape or become weird in any way. You can definitely wear it on the crook of your arm. Like I said, you can also crossbody it. I find that 22 inches on the longer side already, which will accommodate pretty much any height. If you're a bit taller or a bit shorter, it will still work. These are actually made in Italy. If you don't already know Teddy Blake as a brand, their handbags are all handcrafted in Italy. Really like the simplicity of the bag. I think that, you know, without knowing the brand, or even if you do know the brand, from afar it just looks like a very classic handbag. It's the perfect size that you can even wear it as an evening bag. The interior is just a dream to work with. I love having microfiber suede lining. I think that it's one of the best fabrics to protect your items. So these are all the things that I really like about it. There's a couple things that I'm not as crazy about. The first thing is the placement of, or maybe even like the design of how the strap combination is. I guess they also tried to make like a larger clasp, which is very good quality, but it also just kind of sits upright a little bit, so it doesn't drape as nicely as I would have liked it. So this is how the clasp look like. It's very nice, but it just, I think the overall look is better when you don't wear the straps, even though I do like having a strap option. The zip itself is sort of a con for me, because whenever you want to close it, you have to work through this piece here that sticks out. If you were to try to close the bag right now, it just takes a minute. It's not as easy as you might think. You would either have to like yank this out and then try to close it, or you have to take a conscious effort. Like I said in my previous Q&A, I really love my luxury handbags, and I tend to reach for them quite often, like a lot. But there are some days, there just are some days where you don't want to lug around a luxury handbag because you can't always baby it, or you can't always be extra careful. There are days, or there are places that you go that you would rather carry something less expensive, more carefree, you know, along the lines of that. And this is a perfect example of an everyday handbag that you don't have to worry too much about it, because it's really well made, it's high quality, the leather should be fine. You shouldn't have to worry about throwing it around. Or you might just be one of those people who don't necessarily prefer carrying their luxury handbags most of the time. You might prefer something like this on an everyday basis, and you prefer leaving your luxury handbags for special occasions. I do want to show you that so I have one full-size wallet in my collection. This is the Emily. It completely fits inside, and you know, the width is perfect for it. It's not as an easy retrieval and putting it back sort of motion, because it just fits lengthwise, but it definitely fits if you're in a pinch and you prefer using your longer wallet, or if you just wanted your longer wallet for that day. Obviously this will fit as well, so let's just put this in there, right in the middle. There we have it. Let me just stand it up, because I think things are easier to retrieve when you stand them up. So let me get closer and show you what else I can fit in there. So I have sunglasses. Let me stand this up as well. In general, I don't really bring this case around. I just use the cloth one, but I really just did want to show you that it does fit, even though it is kind of bulky. Keys and card holder. These are my staple. I always bring that around. And I love having the mints. These are ginger mints. So I have a little flat sort of card holder, money holder that goes right in there, no problem. And of course a phone. This is the iPhone XS Max, which is the largest, newest iPhone. Obviously fits in there as well. Standing up, no problem. You can still zip it up. When I use this bag, I don't like to keep on opening and closing it. I just feel like it's easier to just leave it open. But if you were traveling, or if you're in a crowded area, you can definitely close your bag. So like I said, it takes a minute, you know, it takes a bit of concentration to close it, but it does close perfectly. In light of all the festivities, especially with Easter weekend just passed, and also spring coming up. Well, it's already spring, but it just still feels really cold. It's only 9 degrees outside. But in light of all this, Teddy Blake has offered one of their handbags. It's the exact same style as the Cara, as a giveaway prize to my viewers. Let me just show you what it is, and then I'll talk about how to enter it. Are you guys ready? Like I said, it's the exact same bag, but in this amazing color. Isn't it so pretty, guys? So this is the orange Cara in the 9-inch, also in Saffiano leather, and it's really, really beautiful. It's such a vibrant color, especially for this season. The oranges and the teals and the yellows, they're all very, very in at the moment. This is a brand new bag, and you will receive the whole shebang. So it comes with the original dust bag. This is a great opportunity for you guys to enter the giveaway and to try your luck. Like I said, this is exactly the same handbag. It's exactly the same make, same leather, but just a different color. A very festive, very spring summer color. The interior is pretty much identical. To enter this giveaway, there are a few steps to follow, and they're quite simple. First step is to follow Teddy Blake on social media. They are active on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The second step is to follow me on Instagram, and last but not least, an obvious one is that you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. So this channel that you're watching right now, you have to be a subscriber, and also leave me a comment below to let me know that you want to enter this giveaway. A lot of people just comment just to say hi, or just to tell me their experience or whatnot, or just to share their thought process, and they don't necessarily want to enter the giveaway. So I do want you to let me know down below that you want to be entered. All the details of the giveaway, as well as all the links, as well as coupon codes, will be all down below in the description box. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love to have you back, so please do consider subscribing, liking, and yeah, let me know if you want to be included in the giveaway. Thank you all so much, and I'll talk to you again very soon. Bye!